Recent cryptocurrency market movements, especially those involving Shiba Inu and Bitcoin, seem to be shrouded in mystery and conjecture. Concerns among investors have been heightened by the unprecedented occurrence of Bitcoin inflows into BlackRock for 3 days in a row, along with Grayscale selling off its Bitcoin holdings. The fact that these changes are happening at the same time as the pricing of Shiba Inu is intriguing in and of itself. Any changes in the market for Bitcoin usually have an effect on the value of Shiba Inu as well, because these dogs seem to track the price of Bitcoin very closely. A Bitcoin exchange-traded fund ETF was just approved in the US, which initially caused a spike in Bitcoin inflows to BlackRock, but now the situation is even worse. But investors are perplexed and worried about the overall viability of the crypto market due to the abrupt stop in inflows, which has sparked conjecture and anxiety. Uncertainty surrounds the source of these peculiar swings, but investors are rethinking their holdings and keeping a careful eye on the market after 2 days of no new capital flowing into BlackRock. Speculation and inquiries on the causes of the oddity have been sparked by the fact that BlackRock has seen zero inflows for 3 days in a row. There are a number of possible explanations for the absence of investment capital, including institutional investors shifting their focus, regulatory uncertainty, or strategic choices made by BlackRock, but the precise reason is yet unknown. The 3 consecutive days of zero inflows point to deliberate action, not random investment behavior. Because of this, some are wondering if this isn't just a product of market forces, but rather an intentional action by BlackRock. But at this moment, everything is speculation due to a lack of clear evidence. However, it appears that these anomalous fluctuations are the cause of the 3-day running decline in Bitcoin values, which has dragged Shiba Inu and the whole crypto market down with it. In spite of this, the Shiba Inu price has risen 41% over the past week, suggesting that positive feeling is still strong. Recent patterns in the futures markets indicate that bulls are still aiming for more gains, with the idea that short-term swings, particularly those unrelated to Shiba Inu, but rather the wider crypto space, may not have much of an effect on its long-term course. It's like hitting a snag in a road trip caused by outside forces. It could temporarily alter your plans. However, they have little bearing on the final location or the triumph of the expedition as a whole. In a similar vein, as long as Shiba Inu fundamentals stay solid, long-term optimistic enthusiasm shouldn't be dampened by volatility in the broader crypto market. In spite of Shiba Inu's 10% price drop in the past 3 days, the token's long-term potential is still strong due to strong underlying demand and favorable attitude. Trades in meme coins as a whole have been booming this week as investors wait with bated breath for Shiba Inu to enter its next phase of recovery. The rapid accumulation of new futures contracts relative to the price trend is a strong indication of this optimism. Futures contract activity among Shiba Inu traders suggests a positive outlook for the breed's future. Shiba Inu's price could rise in the near future due to this increased activity, which demonstrates confidence in the breed's potential to recover. In order to grasp market sentiment, it is essential to monitor the open interest measure. Since April 19th, the open interest in Shiba Inu has skyrocketed, increasing by $23 million to $75 million today. In comparison to Shiba Inu's 41% price increase over the same time period, this signifies a strong 45% gain within the weekly time frame. A highly bullish attitude among speculative traders is indicated when open interest surpasses price growth. The increase in open interest suggests that traders are becoming more involved and interested, demonstrating their faith in the possible future value of Shiba Inu. More trading activity means more liquidity and trading volumes, which means prices can go up even further. In conclusion, traders are still relying on Shiba Inu's potential for future development and recovery despite recent short-term setbacks. Futures contract activity and open interest have been on the rise, suggesting that investors are bullish about Shiba Inu's future prospects, which could lead to further price increases in the near future. One of the many reasons why Shiba Inu investors are getting more and more pumped up is because of the impending Shibarium hard fork of ShibaSwap. When a blockchain protocol undergoes a major upgrade or change, known as a hard fork, the two versions become irreconcilable. The goal of the Shibarium hard fork in the Shiba Inu project is to improve things for both the community and the devs. Notifications indicate that. With the introduction of several features meant to enhance the user experience and give innovators inside the Shiba Inu ecosystem more power, this technological innovation is anticipated to have a profound and revolutionary impact. Shiba Inu's investing opportunities have been bolstered by the news of the Shibarium hard fork. It marks the beginning of concrete progress within the project, moving the emphasis from idle speculation to firm foundation. As a result, investors can rest easy and newcomers looking for real value in the Bitcoin market can find it. On top of that, if open interest is increasing at a quicker rate than prices, it could mean that people are getting ready to buy long or are using hedging tactics to protect themselves from potential price drops. Shiba Inu's open interest has increased by a massive $23 million, which could signal the beginning of another rising trend that could soon propel the price of Shiba Inu past the $0.00003. Shiba Inu's future is bright thanks to a confluence of technical improvements like the Shibarium hard fork and strong market factors such rising open interest, encouraging investment and drawing focus to its future possibilities. Another piece of evidence supporting the optimistic prognosis for the K9-themed token has been the recent post by early Bitcoin advocate 500 Vinci Jeremy, who brought attention to Shiba Inu and hinted at something big on the horizon. In particular, Shoshi-Kusama, in a mysterious response, another well-known crypto figure shared a picture that seemed to back up Jeremy's Shiba Inu speculation, signaling that they were confident in the token's impending rally. When we look closer at the Shiba Inu network's activities, we see that $1.5 trillion worth of tokens move within a day. Traders take note of these massive transfers since they may indicate future price changes. Major sums are involved in some of these transfers. For example, 53 billion Shiba Inu were moved in a single transaction, sent to an anonymous buyer from what seems to be a personal wallet, with a value of around $1.36 million. Further, if $0.65 million worth of Shiba Inu tokens equivalent to more than 106 billion tokens are transferred out of a Coinbase hot wallet, it might be because of an internal transfer or because someone is getting ready for a volatility rise. In light of the topics covered in this video and the possibility of a future price increase for Shiba Inu, this planning for an impending surge in volatility is spot on. Investors are hopeful that the Bitcoin dumping issue will be handled soon, which boosts trust in Shiba Inu's future prospects. This optimism is fueled by the fact that there have been zero inflows with BlackRock. It appears like the comment section underneath the video is trying to get people involved by asking them to voice their ideas and opinions. Additionally, it promotes viewer engagement by displaying related videos for them to click on. On top of that, the maker requests likes, remarks, and shares to bolster the video's exposure, emphasizing the significance of interaction and increasing the video's reach. On the whole, it's just another chilly action that you'll see in a lot of videos on YouTube that try to encourage participation, boost engagement, and get the word out.